for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. 'Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tinglies in a silly place. It starts with my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. The rain is falling on my window pane, but we are hiding in a safer place. Undercover saying dry and warm. You give me feelings that I adore. It starts with my toes, makes me crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time. Aking sinta, ikaw lang ta.
Love, anong oras na ba?
Oras na, para mahalin mo ako.
Oh, ang isang katulad.
Oh, ba't di ka kinikilig?
Ba't ako kikiligin? Eh, matagal na kitang mahal.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap para na kahit magpanggap di matatago na ang iyong
Pang Enrique Hill o pang Daniel Padilla na naman tinatawag natin dyan.
Wow naman.
District.
Oh, mahal yan.
Yan na, yan. Mas mahal kita doon.
oh, ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pa pagkawa.
I mean, I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like, keep it up. It's me. I win. You lose.
Love, okay ba sa akin?
Oo naman.
Wait.
Ah, pati nga ako, bagay sa'yo eh.
Haharanahin kita, saan tayo mapunta?
Love!
Oh,
Masakit na mata ko, love.
bakit na
May
naman?
problema ata sa mata ko, pacheck up tayo. Love,
Bakit?
gusto ba naman palagi ikaw nakikita?
Oh, ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pa pakawalan.
Hi,
Bakit na naman?
ayoko na.
Okay mo na.
Ayoko nang mawala ka.
Kailan